So day 3 na tayo ng Mr. Peace YouTube channel promotion by Axel. So, promote my page.
What do you want to say?
Just share and subscribe.
He's not paying me to do this. Share and subscribe.
I will pay you 400 a month.
400?
Yeah, a month.
Okay.
Just
Just not now.
not now. If I get a million subscriber.
If you get 1 million subscribers, I better be getting 4,000 a month.
Yeah,
Not
that's
400.
4,000 a month.
Yeah.
That's so expensive.
Well, then
Maybe 500.
500.
Yeah, 500 a month.
Times that by 2.
2?
Yeah. No, times it by 2. So 1,000 a month.
1,000 a month. I'm thinking about that.
You're gonna think about it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then
Press the red button.
then
Like.
and share.
You don't share. You don't have to share it.
So, ang kailangan ko na lang ay 999,920 subscribers para maging 1 million subscriber yung YouTube channel ko. Mag-subscribe na kayo.